Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to smell. How to smell. Smelling is one of the human senses and arguably one of the most important ones of them all. Without smelling, you won't be able to smell flowers and stuff, so it's extremely important that you learn how to do it. The main body part that is used to smell things is the nose. If you do not have a nose, then you might find it a bit more trickier to smell things, so I would look to invest and buy yourself a nose, and that should really help with your smelling potential. Right, so now that you've acquired your nose, I will show you how to use it. So your nose should have two holes in them. Can you see? There's two. There's two holes. Can you see the holes? They're right there. You need the holes in order to smell. You need to be able to see the holes. I don't know if you can see from this angle, it's really tricky. The holes in the nose are where the smell needs to go. If you're finding that your nose holes are not quite big enough to your satisfaction, then you can just use a pencil and just jam it up there. Or you can even use a finger as well, whatever takes your fancy. Just make sure you jam it up there, and then the nose holes should then expand. Once you've adjusted your nose holes accordingly, you'll then want to start breathing in with your mouth closed. As soon as your mouth is closed, then you should automatically start breathing in with your nose. I don't know how the science works behind that, it just works, so you have to trust me with that. If you don't have a mouth then, or a nose, it's going to be very hard to breathe and also smell. So these two components you really want to ensure that you have before you begin this. So I'll briefly show you now how to breathe in, and that essentially forms the basic essence of smelling. So what you're going to want to do is to raise your head ever so gently and then breathe in at the same time. I'll show you how that's done. Excellent work! You have successfully performed a sniff. And this is what it looks like from a different angle. And here is a different perspective of smelling, or sniffing, whatever. So that's really great. You've learned how to smell, you've got the technique down, but you want to be able to smell actual stuff. So we'll need to try and find something that is smelly and breathe it in. So what you want to do, just look around, see if there's anything that could potentially smell. Oh, what is this? Got some pants. See if they smell. Just use the technique that I've taught you already and you'll be fine. I can't breathe. Can't breathe. So we've discovered that smelling can be both good and bad. So now that you've acquired your sense of smell, just be really careful about what you smell. I highly recommend not picking up random pants from the floor and sniffing them. Don't do that. Just put that back. Let's see what else we can find. There's something else to smell. Oh, maybe I'll have better luck here. So just try this technique again, hopefully you'll have better luck this time. Oh, not again. Oh no, I can't breathe again. I think I'm going to stay away from smelling stuff on the floor because it doesn't lead to any good. Just to traumatic experiences. So I've learned my lesson. What else is there to smell? Oh, I've heard that hay fever can lead to more sniffing, and the more sniffing that you do leads to more smelling. So I'll just see if I can find some hay fever lying around. Maybe I'll have some better luck this time. Just need to see where hay fever is. Maybe I'll be able to sense it by smelling it. Maybe I'll be able to smell the hay fever. No, I can't smell any hay fever around. No, I'll have to move on. Maybe you can try that yourself. You'll have better luck if you give that a go. What else? What else? I'm running out of smells. Oh, what's that? Bit of lettuce. No, it doesn't really smell of anything. No, it's more neutral smell. Worth a try though, I guess. What else is there? Surely there's something else. Oh, what is this? Deodorant. Well, I don't know if this will work, but we'll see. That was a bit unnecessary. Just see if this smells. Oh, I need to spray it, I think. Once you spray, then you go into the smell like this. Didn't really work, we'll try again. Oh, I smell that this time. It smells quite good. That's the first good smell that we've come across. So I highly recommend using one of these things, like a deodorant thing. So they're quite good for smelling. And that completes the tutorial on how to smell. I welcome you to try smelling things yourself, as it's quite a good skill to have. Don't be shy at all, just give it a go, and maybe you'll have some good fortune with your smelling. And I'm sure that once you start practicing to smell yourself, you won't go back. So I'll catch you later. I'm going to try and find other things to smell, and go from there. See you. See what else we have to smell. What's this? That's awful. Why does everything in here smell so bad? I don't want to smell things ever again now. That's really awful. That's ruined my smell buds.